Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I will be sharing details about a confirmed free Telegram airdrop called Paws. If you have participated in airdrops like Notcoin dogs or hamster, you can get a good profit from here. But even if you miss it, there is no problem. There is good profit potential here. The Paws community is growing rapidly, over 4 million members in just a few days. So join this airdrop without any delay. I have included the link to the website in the description below. Simply click it and you will go directly to the website. On the home page, you will find some Paws token. If you work with Notcoin dogs hamster, you will earn pound tokens based on your activities. Additionally, you will receive Paws token according to the age of your Telegram account. It's as simple as that, just like a dog's airdrop. To maximize your earning, click on the earn option to see some tags. Connect your wallet and follow on Telegram and Twitter, and you will earn some Paws token as a reward. To boost your earning even more, invite others to join. You will earn a 10% referral bonus for each invite. Just click on the invite option to get your referral link and share it with friends, family members and across social media platforms. The more members that join through your link, the more you can earn, so invite more and more. Here in the leaderboard, check out your global ranking on the leaderboard and stay tuned for future updates on the footprint map. That's it for today's video. If you found it helpful, please hit the like button. For more earning related video in the future, make sure to subscribe our channel and join our growing community. Hope you will stay with us. See you in a new video. Until then, stay good, stay healthy and stay with us. Goodbye.